Hi, this is Vivek Rudrappa, your tech expert friend. Recent survey says about 92% of businesses are either working on or planning an application modernization project. Hence, today's topic as well. Businesses worldwide face a lot of challenges when dealing with legacy systems. These challenges can hinder business growth, increase cost, and compromise security. Let's see what are the common challenges that businesses face. Legacy systems often lack modern security features, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Outdated software and hardware may have known security flaws, and hackers can exploit it. Integrating legacy systems with newer technologies can be challenging due to the differences in data formats, protocols, APIs. This can hinder the adoption of new tools and processes. Maintaining legacy systems can be expensive due to the need of specialized skills, hardware, and software. Additionally, third-party apps, COTS application may discontinue support for older systems or versions, increasing the maintenance cost and IT debt. Legacy systems may struggle to scale to meet increasing demands. This can lead to performance bottleneck and hinder business growth. Older systems may not support modern features and innovations, limiting the ability of businesses to innovate and remain competitive. Businesses may become dependent on specific vendors for maintaining their legacy systems, limiting their flexibility and increasing their costs. Finding new skilled professionals to maintain and support legacy systems can be challenging, as many IT professionals prefer to work with modern technologies. Legacy systems may not comply with modern regulations and industry standards, exposing businesses to legal and financial risk. Existing employees may be reluctant to adopt new technologies, fearing disruptions and job loss. This can hinder the modernization process. Lastly, legacy systems may have accumulated technical debt, which can make it difficult and expensive to make changes and updates as we go along. Addressing these challenges require careful planning, investment, and a strategic approach to modernization. Businesses must weigh the cost and benefits of maintaining legacy system over investing on new technologies. Modernization can be a game changer for your business, but you need to do it right. There are a lot of things to consider, like evaluating funds, reallocating resources, choosing right tools, aligning with businesses, technology, and operation teams, and also foster a culture of change. Additionally, considering partnering or hiring an modernization expert who can guide through this journey. Modernization strategy in 4 simple steps. Starting with analyzing application, evaluating existing legacy application is very important to understand what is its current state with respect to many things like front-end, middleware, database, document storage and logging, reporting, integration, authentication and authorization. The entire reference architecture need to be evaluated to understand what is our current state of application. The second step in the modernization strategy is to check the feasibility. Let me give you the 5 R's framework on checking the feasibility. To start with, refactor. This involves restructuring the code to improve its quality, maintainability, and efficiency without changing its functionality. Refactoring is often used to address technical debt and prepare the application for modernization. Second one, redeploy, also called as lift and shift approach. This involves moving the application to a newer platform or an environment such as cloud or an containerized infrastructure. Redeployment can offer benefits like improved scalability, performance, and cost effectiveness. Third one, re-engineer. This involves redesigning the application's architecture or component to meet new requirements, to improve performance. Re-engineering can be more extensive process than refactoring and may involve significant changes to the code. Fourth, being re-architect. This involves completely rebuilding the application from scratch using modern technologies and best practices. Re-architecting is often necessary for legacy applications that are no longer viable or maintainable. The last one of 5R's framework is rewrite. This is somewhat similar to re-architecting but may involve using different programming languages or technology stack. Rewriting can be costly and time-consuming process, but it can offer significant benefits in terms of performance, scalability, and maintainability. Choosing the right R or Rs depend on several factors, including the age and condition of the legacy application, business goals and priorities, the resources available and the budget, technical expertise within the organization. The third step in modernization strategy is coming up with the roadmap. Like coming up with the project plan, resource plan, technology licensing needed, procurement plan, execution plan, risk and dependencies, so that the order of roadmap can be arranged or sorted. Upskilling and training plans. The last and very important strategy step is execution. Come up with project RAG indicators to show red, amber, green how the projects are going on. Rollout of projects in a phased approach to avoid disruption, increase operational efficiencies. As we go along, there will be new dependencies and risks coming upon. So we need to keep evaluating that and come up with mitigation plans. Resource and talent management. For businesses shifting from legacy systems to modernization, agile frameworks is a strategic move, yet it's riddled with complexities that can make or break the success of the business. Let's go over each complexities and see possible solutions. To start with, legacy system complexities. Legacy systems characterized by outdated code and technology can be difficult to update and maintain. Possible solutions are refactoring techniques, the 5R, middleware solutions can be added to bridge the gap between legacy system and modern systems. Develop APIs to enable seamless communication between the systems. This would convert the legacy system to act as a microservices, eventually a possibility to convert to a microservices architectural style. Regularly assess and address the technical depth. And lastly, the legacy system possible solution is to add a DevOps process. It's all about collaboration and making the projects progress faster. Furthermore, DevOps can be combined with cloud-native services to amplify the modernization journey, ensuring optimal results. Data migration and integration can be complex due to differences in data formats and ecosystem. Develop a detailed, comprehensive migration plans with data mapping and cleansing. Gradually transition to new systems in a phased approach to minimize disruptions. Modernization can expose new security vulnerabilities and compliance gaps. Integrate security measures into the architecture by design. Conduct ongoing evaluations to identify and address vulnerabilities. Ensure adherence to current regulation and compliances. The shift to modern technologies may require new skills that current team might lack. Possible solutions would be training and development. Invest in training programs to upskill the current team members. The second one being hiring new talent. Even though we hire new talent with the capabilities expected, they may not deliver on the day one. So hence, outsource some specific task as a tactical move for near-term results. Then document and knowledge transfer. Preserve the institutional knowledge as the things progress and learned. Business strategy and operational complexities. Budget limitations, organizational resistance, and predicting the expected outcomes can bring in new hurdles. Possible solutions would be engage IT strategists, seek expert advice for coming up with a comprehensive adaptive planning, coming up with the phased approach, implement changes gradually to minimize any business disruptions. Foster the learning culture, encourage continuous learning and adaptation for both business and technology teams. Other critical question might arise is future proofing and flexibility concerns. What if we want to redo all these things, whatever we are trying to do the modernization now? Ensuring adaptability to future changes is very crucial. And the possible solutions, keeping the flexible or adaptive architectural styles. Design systems so it can be easily integrated and updated. The other being open standards and multi-cloud strategies. Avoid vendor lock-in and maintain flexibility. By addressing these challenges proactively, organization can successfully navigate the complexities of application of legacy systems, and modernization strategy can be easily unlocked. A well-executed software application modernization strategy is essential for organizations to remain competitive and adapt to changing business needs. By carefully considering the 5 R's framework, addressing the challenges and complexities associated with them, organizations can successfully modernize their legacy application and maximize their benefits and reduce all the technical debts they face in the future.